The train I'm using to match today is an Precision 44 class with a Locksound V5 decoder in it. Now this is the Speedo we're using, set at HO, scale 187. It is also set for miles per hour. Now some people are going to say that this is wrong because the light is flashing down where it says kilometres, but that light is only indicating that it's ready to go. So when a train comes in, we'll come in from this end. When a train comes in from this end, it then indicates with that green light that the train has entered. When it enters when it exits, it mucked up a bit there, so it comes in, indicates, then when it exits, it then reads the speed. Again, when the train comes in from this end, the opposite end, it'll register. When it exits, it reads the speed. So even though this light down here, you could think it's on kilometres, but it's not. It's actually on miles per. It's actually set on miles per hour. So here today we're using a Digitrack system and a Speedo, which is set to miles per hour. And along with that, we're using JMRI to speed match. Now, a lot of people won't agree with this method, but it works for me and the ones that run on my layout. So first, you place the loco on the programming track, open JMRI, go to new loco, then read type from decoder, select decoder type, fill out ID and save, then open programming. Now once we're in JMRI, we'll go to Basics, click on the Basic tab, and then click on Read Full Sheet. Now I've already done this because it takes a bit of time to do this. I'll read the full sheet first, and then I'll change the power source conversion to NMRA digital only, and then click Write Changes on Sheet. Once I've done the basic one, I'll then go to the Motor tab. Again, read the full sheet. I will change then the acceleration to 0 and the de-acceleration to 0. Now you can adjust these back again afterwards, but it just means that the train reacts better while you're speed matching if these are set to 0. From there I'll click on Advanced. Again, read the full sheet, and you'll find that you go down to Delay Starting if drive sound enabled. There'll be a tick in that box. I'll take it out, and then I'll write the changes on the sheet to get rid of that. The reason being, if you put a sound loco with a non-sound loco, the sound loco won't take off as quick. Now the next step after that, I'll go to the speed table, and at the top of the speed table I will click on Use Table, and then click on Write Changes on the sheet. After that I will click Read Full Sheet, and it will come up with whatever that decoder's now set to. From here we'll start to speed match it. The important thing is that you warm the loco up first, so I'll go ahead now, I'll warm the loco up, and then we'll come back and I will show you how I alter these tables. Now with these speed tables, I don't alter the first one, which is the V start or the V high. I leave them as they are. I will only alter the ones through the middle here. Okay, we have our train warmed up now. We'll run it through the Speedo, and it's on flat out 99, and just see what the top speed of the train is as it goes through. It's only doing 62, this one. So we'll run it back the other way in reverse and see what if it's the same. In this case it's faster in reverse than what it is forward. So what I'll do now is I'll just go and alter the reverse trim down here. I'll just cut that back a bit. I'll take it down to 5, let's say, 125, and write that onto the sheet. Now we'll just try that again. So we're coming through and forward again. Still doing our 62. We'll come back now in reverse. And we're doing 63, 62, 63. So now I'll take this down to 60. I govern my trains at 60. I don't think that's fast enough for any of them. I'll just go down to 60. And I'd write that when it's showing 60 on the hand piece, on the throttle, that the train is actually doing 60 miles per hour. So we'll run that through there at 60 and see what we've got. It'll be way down, I would imagine. And in reverse, as you can see, it's well down on the speed of what we need. So we'll just go back to the speed table. Now on the speed table, find that we'll put a tick here, and that's at speed step 17, which appears to be the one that controls 60. I'll take that one up. It'll also take the ones with it up. So we'll take that up to around the say 40 mark. And we'll write them changes to the loco. And because the last one here is still up at 245, I'll just bring that one down to 240 as well. Write that. Now we'll try that again. We've got 59, slightly under our 60. Just see what we got in reverse. So now it's levelled out. Even though before it wasn't showing the same, forward and reverse, it is now. So we need to lift that slightly again. So we go back to the speed table. We were 240. Might go up. Let's go up. Let's go up 6 and see what happens. We'll write the changes. Now got 60 forward. Now we've got 60 in reverse. The next one we do, I go down now in 10, so I'll go down to 50. Back to the speed table. What we've found is we go 3 from there, from that last tick. 1, 2, 3, put another tick, and we'll raise that one. Now when you raise this one, these other two here automatically go in line. So we'll take them up to there. We'll write those changes. And we'll just check that now. This time we need 50. Oh, that was a fluke. We'll come back in reverse, and we have 50 in reverse. Now the next one we'll go down to 40. Again, we go to our sheet. We go another 3 along from this one. Put a tick. That's just to remind me of where I'm at. Then take that tick out of that one though. We'll raise this one up. We'll write those changes. And we'll go back and check. Weren't so lucky that time to hit it in one, but $33, so we need to go up 7 Ks. We'll go back to our sheet again, and we'll raise just that one up again. And we'll write that. We've got 40 now. What we've got in reverse, as long as they're within a kilometre or a mile, 1 mile per hour, it's not too bad. It's coming along pretty good, this one. So we'll go down to 30 now. Again, we put a tick 3 away, and we take that back one back out, and then we just raise this one again. We're on step 8. Might go up to about 100, 101. We'll write that. check that again. I think he's going a bit slow. 28, not quite there. Most of these are only a guess. It's roughly about 10, each one is 3, so go down about 8 each time. So we've got 29, we want 30. We've got to go up a little bit. Write those changes. A slight fault there, the train didn't go back far enough onto the programming track. If it does bridge from the live track to a programming track, it does cause a problem. I think it wrote though. I'll just check it. And we have 30. So we go down to 20. Again, we go 3, put a tick, remove the last one, the far one. And we'll take that one up. Need to go a fair bit, I think. We'll write that. Ooh, 19, we're close. We can go a little bit higher. What have we got? 60. We'll go up 8, so go to 68 and see what happens. Got it forward. Just try it in reverse. We have it in reverse as well. So we'll go down to 10 now. Back to our board. Put a tick mark where it is. Get rid of that one. And we'll just take this one up. By clicking on it then, it just shot that up to where we needed to just about be. We'll try that and see what happens. Ooh, that was close, 9.9, not quite there. Okay, take this up again. So we need to take that one up. We're on 10, we might go up 6. We'll write that one. And we have 10 forward. And I'd just like to make sure when it's on 1 that the train will actually move. If the train moves on 1, I don't alter anything else. I just leave it as long as it moves a touch. So we go back to JMRI and go to our file and save that. And that's how we match them. Whether you agree or not, I don't know, but it works for us. Works, and if there's a few here and somebody's running, we can ask them what speed they're on and set our throttle to the same if they're following us. So the trains will follow one another without catching up too often anyway. Thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed. Now the speed steps we're using here is 28 speed table steps. And we're using step 17, it's the one we alter for 60, and we come down 3 to step 14 for 50, down another 3 to step 11 for 40, down another 3, only went 2, to step 8 for 30, come down another 3, step 5 for 20, and then down another 3 to step 2 for 10. Hope this is some help. Thank you.